Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download Fortnite on Android device not spotted. As you guys can see, I have my Epic Games app opened up, and then when I tap on get on Fortnite, you will see that for my Android device it says device not spotted. So if you want to download Fortnite but the Epic Games app say your device is not spotted, keep watching this video and find how you can download this. So first of all, what you want to do is go to your settings. Scroll down and tap on application and permissions, then tap on permissions management. Here tap on install unknown apps. Search for the browser you use. I use Google Chrome. So I am going to simply tap it over here, and then you want to toggle on this allow app installs option. So this process might change from device to device. If you can't follow these same steps on your device, drop a comment and I will help you out. So once you do that, exit out of settings and open up your browser. Tap on the search bar up top and search for GSM fix Fortnite, and then you want to tap on this first search result, downloads APK fix. So when you are on this website, you will see it says Fortnite APK fix and also download. Tap on that and it's going to open up this site. What you want to do now is tap on this blue button. Saying download Fortnite, and it's going to download the Fortnite app to your device. It's about 130 megabytes, so it should not take that much time to download. So once it's downloaded, go to your files and then go to your download folder and you want to open it up. So tap on it and you want to tap on install. And right now it's going to install Fortnite on my Android device. So let's wait a couple of seconds. I will speed this up for you. Once that's done, you want to open the app and then it will download and update. So this is going to take some time to finish. So I will get back to you once it's done. I will walk you through what to do next. So it took some time to download this and now they will you have an account or if you want to create a new account. So depending on if you have one or not, click on the right option for you and then it will show you this. You want to click on accept and then it is going to load and then you can choose your graphic setting. Then I simply going to select the low because I don't want to download additional files right now. So it's confirmed and there you go. I can now play Fortnite on my unspotted Android device. So this was the process by which you can download Fortnite on Android. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.